What is the value of this expression? Can you solve this question? Many people get this simple math question wrong. In the wrong way of solving this question, some people don't pay attention to the priority of the mathematical operations. 7 to the power of 2 equals 49. 49 minus 7, then times 5, then divided by 7. Again, they start from the left and simplify the question. 49 minus 7 equals 42. 42 times 5, then divided by 7. 42 times 5 equals 210. And 210 divided by 7 equals 30. But this answer is definitely wrong. Let's solve it step by step together. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. If you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. Okay guys, in this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same priority. When we have multiplication and division or addition and subtraction, we start from the left side of the equation and simplify. According to this rule, first we simplify the exponent. 7 to the power of 2 equals 49. 49 minus 7, then times 5, then divided by 7. In this step, first we do the multiplication. Negative 7 times 5 equals negative 35. Now we have a new expression. 49 minus 35, then divided by 7. Now we do the division. Negative 35 divided by 7 equals negative 5. And 49 minus 5 equals 44. And we find the final answer of this question. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.